my channel, and this is Arti. Before getting into today's video, if you're new, make sure to hit the subscribe button. It would mean a lot to me. Coming to today's video is a what's in my bag tag. Now personally, I love watching what's in my bag tag videos. It's amazing. I love those videos. It's literally like, you're getting to know a person so personally, and I just love those videos. So I thought, so I really like what's in my bag tag videos. Apparently I have my exams going on. They started on the 1st of November and they're up till the 1st of December. So that's like a 1 month of exams, and it's a lot of exams. I thought, why not do a what's in my bag exam edition. So without any further ado, let's get on to the video. The bag I have for my exams is this bag. Now this, I got it from Vogue-Tree. I got it off from Amazon. So also I'll put the product link in the description box down below, so make sure to check it out. So this is the bag. It basically has these two straps, normal straps to put it on, and then it comes on with these two pocket layers. Normally it comes on with like two pocket layers, and it has this sort of a steel thing to clasp on. And give me a second, let me open it. Yeah. And once you open it, you come into this tying thing, so you have to tie it up, and it is not a magnetic clasp as properly. And you have like it is one complete rack inside with one small pocket zip over. So let's see what I have in my bag. Okay, the first thing I can ever see in my bag is my phone. Now this is a savior for my life. This is the normal smartphone, the Samsung J series. Now everybody these days is on phone now. Nobody writes notes. Maybe I rarely take down notes. So 90% of my studying goes onto this phone. Now this is very important for me. So this is my phone, and can I take a minute to admire this case? Oh my god, I love this. This also I got it off from Flipkart maybe or Amazon. I don't know. I'll put it in the link, so make sure to check it out. I like these sort of pink shades. So yeah. So this is the first product, and the next is because I struggle a lot reading from my phone, I have my power bank, and to go with it I have my USB cable. Now this is the normal, I got it off from Amazon as well. Now this is the PowerAce, your digital power monster, the power bank. Now this is of 10,400 mAh, and it has like two inputs, so it actually charges like two phones. You can charge it, and it has like one output of, so it has two outputs, yeah. So it's 1 ampere output, and the other one is 2.1 ampere, and you have an input of 1 ampere as well. And it also has a torch if you guys can get your inside. Oh yeah, that's a torch. So yeah. So this is very important for me. That's next. And the next I have is my water bottle. Now this is pink as well. Oh my god, I love pink stuff. Oh yeah, this is the normal water bottle, and this is a sip-on bottle. Now I usually don't take this, but sometimes I do. So this is a sip-on. So this is the water bottle I have. And the next has to be a notebook. Now exam cannot go without a notebook. I have this notebook just to take down notes, some important points, so while I'm studying to note it down. So this is the normal classmate notebook. And the next thing I have is my pencil pouch. Now this is the most important thing in my whole bag, at least for exams, because you can't write without a pen. I have the normal stationery with a pen, pencil, and eraser, and so that's it. And also this is from a brand called as Pinnacle. If I'm not wrong, it's called as Pinnacle. I'm not sure. I took this off from Amazon as well, so I'll make sure I put all the links to the product in the description box down below, so make sure to check it out. And that's the main part of the bag. That's only the main part. And coming to the smaller pocket what I have, I usually like to keep hopping onto some candy or mint or something, and I think I have only few left. I have the normal candies, the 1 rupee or 2 rupee ones. These are the normal candies. I usually have mints to put it on, but I usually have mints, but maybe today I have only mints. And that's all of the main compartment. And let's go on to these small pockets. Okay, the first pocket I have is Oh, I have a tag. This is my ID tag now. Without this, I can't go and write any exam or can't be entered into my college apparently. So this is important. So this is one, and the next what I have is, oh, and the next I have has to be a music thing. So these are the headsets. I got this container from my previous headsets which I broke, and so I basically use them to store them. So these are the headsets what I have, and yeah, these are the and these are the normal Samsung headsets in the color pink. And the next product I have is a lip balm. Now this is not a clear lip balm. Now this is the Maybelline Baby Lips Candy Wow editions. But I usually carry a clear lip balm and I just ran out of it, so this is there in my bag. Yep. And yeah, that's all in my bag. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also let me know what y'all have in your exam edition bag. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!